Subscribe to get contents via mail. Purchase shorthand journals and more.
The entire exercise that the court is expected to undertake at this stage is for the limited purpose of releasing him on bail. Full stop. Thus, the focus is on the availability of reasonable grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty of the offences that he has been charged with, and he is unlikely to commit an offence under the Act while on bail. Full stop. Coming back to the facts of the instant case, the learned single judge of the High Court cannot be faulted for holding that the appellant NCB could not have relied on the confessional statements of the respondent and the other co-accused recorded under Section 67 of the NDPS Act in the light of law laid down by a 3 judges bench of this court in Tufan Singh Supra, wherein as per the majority decision a confessional statement recorded under Section 67 of the NDPS Act has been held to be inadmissible in the trial of an offence under the NDPS Act. Full stop. Therefore, the admissions made by the respondent while in custody to the effect that he had illegally traded in narcotic drugs will have to be kept aside. Full stop. However, this was not the only material that the appellant NCB had relied on to oppose the bail application filed by the respondent. Full stop. The appellant NCB had specially stated that it was the disclosures made by the respondent that had led the NCB team to arrive at and raid the godown of the co-accused, which resulted in the recovery of a large haul of different psychotropic substances in the form of tablets, injections and syrups. Full stop. Counsel for the appellant NCB had also pointed out that it was the respondent who had disclosed the address and location of the co-accused, who was arrested later on. And the CDR details of the mobile phones of all co-accused, including the respondent, herein showed that they were in touch with each other. Full stop. Even divorce the confessional statement of the respondent and the other co-accused recorded under Section 67 of the NDPS Act, which were subsequently retracted by them. The other circumstantial evidence brought on record by the appellant NCB ought to have dissuaded the High Court from exercising its discretion in favor of the respondent. Full stop.